Hi friends, today we are flying to Taiwan on China Airlines Airbus A350-900. I already did check-in and cleared immigration. Now we are walking toward gate A10. Now we have arrived at the gate A10 ci754 flight number. We can see a glimpse of our Airbus 350-900. Now let's do some plane spotting. This is Singapore Airlines Boeing 737-800. Now it's taxiing back to its gate. Jetstar plane taxiing. Singapore Airlines plane landing. Another Singapore Airlines Boeing 737-800 landing. Scoot Boeing 787 landing. AirAsia Airbus A320 landing. Philippine Airlines A330-300 landing. Air New Zealand Boeing 787 getting ready to take off. Batik Air Boeing 737. Now we are going to board the plane. You can see the cockpit over there. Before entering, there will be an earphone collection area. That is the view of our plane. China Airlines A350-900 is arranged in a 3-3-3 configuration in economy. I am walking to my seat 49E. There is a touchscreen TV on the seat. You can adjust your headrest as you like. That is my friend over there. Now the safety video is playing. This is the safety information card for China Airlines A350-900. As you can see, there is lights but no individual air vents. There is a wide variety of TV shows and movies to choose from. The legroom is okay for me. There is also a plug point where you can charge your phone, and there is also USB on the TV to charge. As I don't have a window seat, I couldn't get the takeoff. Now we have taken off from Singapore. Before the meal service, there is a short snack service. I took for a Sprite and a mixed snack pack. Inside the snack pack, you'll find some nuts and some peas and some rice crackers. This is the meal service on board. There's some fruits, some coleslaw, and I went for the non-veg option. Today the non-veg option was mutton, dal and rice. There is a dessert of rasmalai. Now we have started our descent into Taipei. We are about 20 minutes away. There is also a chat option where you can chat from seat to seat. Now we have landed and now we are going to disembark the aircraft. We have landed at Taoyuan International Airport. There is 2 other airports in Taipei. This is my friend. Now we are walking to the immigration. Enjoy this time lapse of me walking to the immigration. Now we have reached immigration. I can't film here as the rule says. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.